Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Greetings everyone. Hope you're doing well and healthy. Today's lesson starts from the vapor pressure, depression or lowering. As you know, we are studying the colligative properties. We have studied about the boiling point, elevation, freezing point, depression. Today's lesson starts from the vapor pressure lowering. As at first, I'm going to say something about the evaporation. Evaporation, as you know, is a process at which a liquid changes to what? A liquid changes to gas is called evaporation. Also, vapor pressure lowering or depression is non-volatile solutes reduce the ability of a surface solvent molecule to escape the liquid. As you see in this picture, we have pure solvent and a solution with a non-volatile solute. In this picture, just we have pure solvent or water. If you say, we have more water molecules, but in here we have less water molecules. It means the presence of a non-volatile solute means that less solvent particles in this picture, it will has less solvent evaporates. It means it will lower the evaporation. What is the definition of vapor pressure depression? The presence of a non-volatile solute lowers the vapor pressure of a solvent. Also, the amount of vapor pressure lowering depends upon the number of solute particles. For example, you should understand that every time vapor pressure of a solvent is higher than the vapor pressure of the solution every time. According to the vapor pressure depression rules have a law. It says that the vapor pressure of a solution, is directly proportional to the mole fraction of a solvent. What does it mean? For example, when we have mole fraction of water, the vapor pressure also it will what? Increasing. We will have more vapor pressure. Vapor pressure of solution is equal to the mole fraction of solvent times P0. P0 shows the vapor pressure of the solvent. Also, let me do an example. In here we have 30 grams of glucose is dissolved in 500 grams of water at 25 centigrade. What is the vapor pressure of the solution? Also, it gives us the vapor pressure of what? Solvent. In here, 23.82. Also, I categorize the solution in here. We have the mass of glucose, 30 grams. Mass of water, we have in here 500 grams. Also, molecular mass or molar mass of the glucose is given 180 gram over mole. Also, we have molar mass of water, 18 gram over mole. According to this formula, vapor pressure of the solution is equal to the mole fraction of the solvent times vapor pressure of the solvent. And also, it gives us the question gives us this value. It means we have this value, but we do not have the mole fraction of the solvent. We can find in here. We need the mole fraction of the solvent. It means I should write the mole fraction of water is equal to mole of water plus mole of water plus mole of glucose. We need the mole. We have grams in here. We should change them into the mole. According to this formula, N is equal to mass over molar mass. We have in here N is equal to what is the value of mass of glucose in here? We have 30 gram over what is the molar mass in here? We have what? 180 gram. It means 30 divided by 180 is equal to 0.167. Also, it should be according to the what? According to the mole. We have the mole of glucose in here. Another one is we need the mole of water. N is equal to what is the mass of water? We have in here 500 gram. We have in here also the molar mass of water is 18 gram. Our mole we have in here. We can cancel mole to mole. 500 divided by 18 is equal to 27.87 78, sorry, 78. It is belongs to the what? It is from the water, but this is belongs to the glucose. Okay, now according to this formula, we can solve this question. Okay, mole fraction of water is equal to, we find in here that mole fraction of water, mole of water is 27.78. It's given according to the formula. Also in the denominator also we have this value plus mole of glucose. Also it's we found in here 0.167. When we are going to simplify this question, it will become 27.87. Or it will be 27.947. Also, when we are going to divide into each other, it will give us 0.994. Also, it does not have any value. It does not have any unit in here. Now we are going to find the vapor pressure solution. Vapor pressure of solution is equal to, what is the value of X solvent or mole fraction of solvent is 0.994 times. Also the vapor pressure of water, also it's given as that 23.8 in here. When we are multiplying 23.8 times 0.994, it will give us 23.66. The vapor pressure of solution will be is equal to 23.66. Also the value of it is the unit of vapor pressure of solution in here is 2.